My friend Victor Isibor, is it possible for me to make money online without spending a dime, like become a multi-millionaire in US dollars without actually spending any money?
Airdrops, bro. Airdrops will make you a millionaire in US dollars in less than 6 months. They don't call me the king of updates for nothing. My name is Victor Isibor. If you follow my step-by-step guide, you will become a multi-millionaire in US dollars in little or no time with zero investment. Now listen, get yourself a programmer, a tech guy. You either pay them or you ask them to partner with you on the project. Okay? Get them to design a Telegram bot/app for you. Now, when the Telegram bot or app has been designed, then in your head, formulate a coin and give it a name like Victor Coin. Okay, using my name, for instance, Victor Coin. Then tell people it will be launched on the Solana blockchain very soon. Don't put a date, just say very soon. Okay, throw it open as a tapping airdrop where people get free tokens for doing some few tasks. Okay, and you call it the Victor Coin airdrop or pre-launch. All right, now there's a craze for tapping amongst a large multitude of people who like free things. I'm sure you know there's a lot of euphoria and excitement around, tapping of Telegram bots right now. A lot of people are going crazy about it. Now, the next thing you're going to do is get a few hungry and greedy influencers and YouTubers. Offer them a very attractive and handsome reward, okay? And get them to popularize this Victor Coin. Let them make videos about it and put it all over social media, okay? Getting 1 million tappers on your new Telegram tap bot is a very, very easy thing to achieve, considering the popularity this tapping craze currently enjoys. All right, now let's be moderate in our expectations. Okay, let's say you get only 10 million tappers, 10 million only. Remember, Nigeria alone, for instance, has a population of well over 200 million people, with a large chunk of that being youth. Okay, so on your tap bot, you give these guys daily tasks, okay, and you attach worthless Victor tokens as rewards to each task. Okay, then go ahead, create a YouTube channel and ask them to subscribe and earn 100,000 Victor coin tokens, and boom, your new YouTube channel gets 10 million subscribers instantly on the first day. These guys are eager to do tasks just to earn these free tokens. All right, now that you have 10 million subscribers on your first day on YouTube, the next day create another task. Ask them to go and watch a video you just uploaded on your channel, and then boom, 10 million views on your very first video. Before you know, you have reached monetization requirements on YouTube and you start cashing out massively on YouTube. Every day you upload a new video and boom, you get 10 million views because you ask your tappers to go and do that task and you give them a few 100,000 worthless Victor coin tokens for each task. Before you know, advertisers and brands will start paying you big bucks, okay, big bucks to advertise their products and projects. Just imagine a brand, offering to pay you $1 for each person you bring into their business Telegram group. Man, you got 10 million tappers, okay? If you ask your 10 million tappers to join the Telegram group as the task of the day, that means you'll be getting $10 million for that, okay? Just create a task for your tappers each time you get a business offer. Don't worry, they will do the task and you are going to get the advertisement money. Very simple. Okay, all those that are tapping on your Telegram bot, they think they are tapping the app, They don't know that it is the tap owners and developers that is actually tapping them. You understand? So that is very, very simple for you to do, and you're going to become a multi-millionaire in US dollars in less than 6 months.
Wow, sounds very interesting and feasible. But wait, Victor Isibor, what about coin distribution and launching on exchange? These guys are not going to be tapping perpetually. What happens when they start asking me, when am I going to launch on exchange and, distribute these tokens so that they can cash it out?
Coin distribution and launching on exchanges? Nah, come on, you're smarter than that, bro. You see, always, promise them that the coin is going to launch in the next 6 months. Then when that time is approaching, look for an excuse to postpone it, the same way TAPSWAP has been postponing their own listing and token distribution too. Why? The tapping you guys are doing is more lucrative to the developers than launching a shitcoin with no use case. Okay, you guys that are tapping, you are of greater value to them as tappers than when they do real token distribution and launching on exchange.
Victor Isibor, you are a bad boy. Are you saying that TAPSWAP is a scam?
How many times would they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Hey, come on, bro. All I'm just saying is TAPSWAP is making more money right now having you guys tap and do all those tasks than if they eventually launch and do coin listing. I mean, what if their coin has no use case? The value of the coin is going to nosedive and they will not be making any money. So they're smart. They make more money now. So they're going to leave you guys tapping for a very long time. Come on, airdrops are like gambling. 80% of them will never launch. A better way to make money from crypto is to tap into the trinity of crypto.
I agree with you that majority of them will not launch, but even if they don't launch, they are free now. It's only your time that you spend there, so it will not be too painful if they don't launch.
You be mumu.
My friend, you're not smart at all. They say that time is money. Anything that wastes your time has wasted your money.
He shock you.
That's true. You have a point there. Time is money. You said the only way to make good money from crypto is to tap into the trinity of crypto. Victor Isibor, what is the trinity of crypto?
The markets in crypto are tripartite in nature. And that's why I call them the trinity. The spot, futures, and arbitrage markets. These are the three markets in crypto. Okay, and I have a recommended bot for each of them. Non-custodial. Your money remains in your exchange, and these bots are connected via API to trade your money for you. 100% transparency and safety of funds. Spot, futures, and arbitrage. One bot each. My top recommendation. They don't call me the king of updates for nothing. You're interested? Send me a DM and I'll hook you up.